Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Making It Happen with Mary and I am Mary. Happy Friday, or we call it Fry-yay up in here. I have a great video for you guys today. A huge thank you to everyone who joined in the live last night. We had a blast just like we always do. Tonight at 6 p.m. over at Banger Beauty by Mary, we are launching not one, but two brand new collections, Flirtin' with Summer and Sunshine and Shenanigans. If you want details about what's coming in that launch tonight, definitely go back and watch the live from last night. We went over everything. But for right now, I do have a Bath & Body Works haul, including my first impressions of Very Violet. Yes, Very Violet finally arrived. I also have another haul coming, actually several of them, from the sale that they have with the $12.95 candles and the $5.95 body care. Part of it I have to pick up in store, other part is being shipped to me, so I have those videos coming as well. But for right now, let me show you what I did get in this haul. One of the first things I want to show you that I did get, because I was dying to have it in laundry care, I did pick up Book Loft. Cute packaging. I am loving the laundry packaging for fall. Book Loft is crisp bergamot woods and a warm blanket. Y'all, I cannot even express to you how excited I am to know that their laundry isn't going away. Thank God, because I love their laundry care. Let's give it a sniff. Yes. I really wish there were scent beads available in this, but it does smell really good. It's kind of a little bit more woodsier than the body spray, than the body care, but I'm digging it for fall time, absolutely. One of the other ones I picked up in laundry is Vampire Blood. Yo, I could not help myself. The idea of sitting in my laundry room, this sitting out in the month of October, was too much for me to pass up, so I did pick up Vampire Blood. Super cute packaging. This one is Red Berries, Night Blooming Jasmine, and Petrifying Plum. Y'all, the detergent smells way stronger than the body care ever has. Super heavy on the red berry, and especially that plum. Ooh, listen, if they would have dropped scent boosters for any of these, I would have picked them up. But I'm very impressed just with the strength of the detergent for Vampire Blood. So that's a good sign. That's a good sign. I, of course, had to get, as soon as I saw pumpkin pecan waffles in the detergent, had to grab it. Cute packaging. I'm digging the little pumpkins and the waffles. Scent notes are maple syrup, golden waffles, and pumpkin spice. I love pumpkin pecan waffles, so I was very, very excited, come on now, to get it in the laundry detergent. Oh, there we go. I don't know why these caps sometimes are so difficult to get unscrewed, and sometimes, I've had this happen twice now, the whole top of the detergent will come off, not just this part, but literally the entire top, and I can never get them separated. It's a huge pain in the butt, but I guess it is what it is. Let's give it a sniff. Yeah, I'm very excited to have this in laundry care. Super gourmand. I do feel the maple syrup note in here, at least in the laundry detergent, is amped up that maple note a bit more than the body care, and I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it. The last piece of laundry that I did get was that Velvet Amber, that brand new scent, Velvet Amber. I've seen mixed reviews on it, but I wanted to smell it myself. And when I placed this order, they were having a detergent sale at the time. They were 2 for $30, plus I had a coupon, babe. Oh, yes, indeed. This is Rich Vanilla. Vanilla hoe? Cedarwood and Smooth Amber. Definitely excited to sniff this one. This smells like fall perfume. It kind of is giving me like a woody vanilla, almost like, kind of resembles Wicked Vanilla Woods, but in detergent. Oh, I like this. Now, I'm really hoping at some point they will release the scent boosters, or at least the laundry, the dryer sheets, so I can pick up the scents that correlate with these ones, because I like to have a little extra. I want to be able to smell it on my clothes. Now, let's get into the brand new, because I know that's what you're waiting for. Some of y'all fast forwarded through the laundry just to get to this part, didn't you? All right, Very Violet. I'm a little confused because there's no fragrance notes on here. Here's the thing though. It says fine fragrance mist. Do you guys see that? Fine fragrance mist, but down here is where it says for body and hair. I have high hopes for this. Now I gotta look up the dang scent notes because I have to. Okay, Very Violet has a lot of scent notes. They have top, heart, and base notes. Top notes are ambrette seeds, golden star fruit, crunchy red pear, mandarin Madagascar. Heart notes of violet absolute, floating water lilies, and sunbeam magnolia. And then base notes of soft sandalwood cream, orris butter, white cedar, and clean musks. We are, of course, going to do the caps test, but I'm going to spray it on the hand. Let's see what it's given. But let's smell the cap. That alcohol, the alcohol had to evaporate for a second. Ooh, I like this. Oh, yes, I do, baby. Okay. Oh, okay. This is good. This is good. It's definitely it's not gourmand, but it definitely has a sweetness to it. I'm definitely getting like a star fruit pear note with a little bit of mandarin at the top there. But there's a sweetness of that violet, and it's done just right. But you also, I don't pick up a lot of these other notes, but I'm definitely getting the sandalwood cream and a soft musk mixed in there. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, I'm really liking this. I can already think off the top of my head a couple of them that I might compare them to in the full review and comparison video. That probably will not go up until Sunday. You guys know I like to have a couple days to get to know old girl. But so far, I am loving this. Definitely slightly sweet, ever so softly floral, but has like a sandalwood creamy base to it with a little bit of musk. Definitely giving top tier perfume vibes for fall, possibly even spring. I could see this in. Oh, but I like it. Y'all, I may have to get the perfume. Now I'm kicking myself because I already placed that $5.95 order and I did not add more pieces in from Very Violet. Oh, but I'm liking it. It's really good, you guys. I haven't worn it yet to see the projection, the wear time, anything like that. But based on the first impressions, definitely a winner. Yeah, what did you guys think, though? Have you picked up Very Violet yet? Let me know what you think down below. Have you guys picked up any of the new laundry care? Are you like me? Like, where are the scent boosters? Yeah, and if you haven't had a chance, get over and watch the live. The launch tonight at 6 p.m. with both of those brand new collections has some favorites from y'all last summer, as well as a lot of new fragrances, some originals, some high-end perfume dupes, Bath and Body Works dupes that I have not done before. Yeah, and we did a lot of banger glazes this time round. The banger buttas, the moisturizing body mist, 4 lip glosses that are coming with these 2 collections, as well as both of them have a sampler pack. Definitely get over there and check that out at 6 o'clock. Make sure you're checking your emails. And other than that, y'all, we're at my favorite part. Ready, ready, ready? Like, comment, subscribe, and ding the bell so you're alerted every time your girl uploads. And I will see you in the next one. All right, everybody. Bye-bye.